going on, everybody? Happy 2019 back to school series. We're starting off this year a little bit early because there are 30 back to school series videos so far. We're still planning. There's more giveaways than ever. I'm just like through the roof about this. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name's Haley Cairo. Welcome. If you guys are returning subscribers, got so excited. If you guys are new, click that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on notifications because you don't want to miss all these awesome videos that are coming out. Plus, I would love to have you guys join me over on Instagram. I'm a health coach and certified wellness extraordinaire. That's really overselling it. But I post a lot of healthy recipes, workouts, daily tips, all about routines and habits, and I think you guys would really love all of the extra content that I provide for you guys on Instagram. Ooh. So to kick off the back to school series, we are doing 3 shopping vlogs. We're going to Target, Home Goods and Marshalls, Staples, what was the other one? A couple other places. We're getting supplies, we're getting dorm room things. You guys are gonna be so set for this year. I have tons of tips and tricks and I'm just, this is exciting. This is the first year where I am doing 3 separate survival guide kit giveaways for you guys. Middle school, high school, and college. Might even throw in a 4th one for moms. I don't know yet. We're working on it. If you guys go to my description box, you will also see my link to sign up for my newsletter. If you guys sign up, you get discounts to all kinds of places, exclusive giveaways, plus extra tips and tricks and content over there. You definitely don't want to miss it because it's like an exclusive membership. Only certain content goes there and it's just for you guys. So I would love to have you subscribe to my newsletter. I'm gonna have everything linked down below, plus all of the information to how you guys can win these kits. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So we're gonna be starting off with middle school. Now I remember middle school, it was such an awkward time in my life. I went through so many weird phases. And if there was one thing I wish I was, it was more prepared. And I hope I can give that to you guys now. As a 25-year-old, my 12-year-old self is saying, here you go. We're gonna do this in classic back to school fashion. So we're gonna do an overhead shot, show you guys the cute little survival kit bag I got you and all of the fun contents inside. I do wanna disclaim some of the things I will not be able to actually give to you guys because I am not allowed to give you medicine. So therefore Advil is something I think you guys should maybe carry with you, although I can't legally give it to you. The first thing that I think should be in every single kit, if I had only one thing that I could put in this kit for you guys, it would be, I literally can't pick. I think there's probably 2 things. It would be gum or mints and then feminine products. If you're a dude and you're watching this video, then the feminine products totally do not relate. You don't need them. So I would say if you're a dude, your second item would probably be a pencil because boys were always asking me for extra pencils. Take that back. I think the most important thing would be, aside from the gums and the mints, would be deodorant. I can remember 3 times where I forgot deodorant the first thing in the morning, or I went to gym class and then forgot to pack deodorant, or I didn't have one in my gym bag and then I didn't have it for the rest of the day. And that was horrible. And you definitely don't want to be that person who's asking for deodorant. However, I found a really great trick, not only for you guys, but for your friends. Get the spray deodorant. Well, don't get the spray. Well, yeah, get the spray deodorant, but I'm giving you guys the Dove Spray Antiperspirants travel size because it's, you know, travel friendly. It's amazing. I actually used the cucumber melon one in middle school before they came out with the spray. The spray is awesome. It's super easy to use. And then if you need to, it's more hygienic to share with your friends. I always think hand sanitizer is a great one because you don't want to be getting sick throughout the school year, and staying as hygienic and antibacterial as possible is going to help you guys out. So I threw in a little hand sanitizer, also a good thing to share. Now we were not allowed to chew gum at school, but I can't even lie, we totally snuck gum. But other things you can use are the little like mints or Listerine tabs. So I included some of my favorites for you. Similar to deodorant, you can never go wrong with a body spray. And I think roller balls are great, but you don't get that full coverage that you do with a spray. And sometimes body sprays are just too big to fit into your bag. So Scentbird is my favorite for travel fragrances. This is not sponsored by Scentbird. I just happen to really love their products, and I am going to be giving you guys some of my favorite scents, and I think you're gonna love it. Definitely throwing in some femme care for you, because I know what it's like to unexpectedly get your period in class, and we wore khaki skirts, so you can just paint the picture. It was really red. And most embarrassing things in school after lunch or after snack, and your friend's like, hate it. It's even worse if it's a boy. So I put in some of those little like flossy things for you guys, because they're just good to have. Plus you can be that friend that's like, you don't even have to tell them that it's there. You can just be like, I always took a snack to school when I was doing my health and fitness stuff, like full force, like it was the beginning of my journey, if you will. I would cut up veggies and have hard-boiled eggs and things like that, but sometimes it's just not as convenient. It's not as, what's the word? You need a cooler, okay? You need something to keep it fresh. So protein bar is a great way to go. You guys can do all kinds of different protein bars. I'm gonna have some of my favorites for you included, and they're really small, so you can just kind of like fit them in your bag and it's no problem. Next, I think it is always really good to have a chapstick with you, especially those fall and winter months when you're sitting in your cold classroom and your lips get chapped. Plus it's just like something to do. It's like in class, you're like, I'm kind of bored, so I'm gonna take out my chapstick. Thumbs up if you did that. This next one is kind of a personal preference. I know not everyone's a big hand lotion person, but my hands do get super dry. My knuckles get really dry in the wintertime, and I always carried tiny little hand lotion packets with me, or not packets, but tubes, and it was always a lifesaver. So it was also something else to do in class. You know, you sit there and you're like, I'm listening. Now, if you have gym class or sports, I always think it's pretty handy to have hair ties, headbands, because you never know what you're gonna need when you're out on the field. You can also do a little bit of sunscreen to just protect your skin during the warmer months, or if you live in a climate that stays warm and sunny all year round. I think it's also really helpful to have a little comb or a brush. I'm gonna share a couple more extras with you guys, and then we will wrap up the video and share the information for how you can win this giveaway. So I hope you guys liked everything that I mentioned for your middle school survival kit. Let me know if I missed anything, if there's something in particular that you guys like to carry in middle school. You can also totally chime in if you're in high school or college or you're out of school. I'm gonna be posting 3 more videos for these survival kits for high school, college, and moms is on the fence. I'm not sure if we're posting that one yet or not, but to enter the giveaway, you have to be a subscriber with the notifications on and following me on Instagram, and follow along on the newsletter, because I will be announcing the giveaway winners there. I also just wanted to mention that if you guys are struggling with figuring out how to balance your health for school, going back into school can be kind of difficult for balancing a healthy routine. If you guys maybe got into one during the summer, I have an ebook all on balancing health and wellness as a student. You guys can check out my ebooks on mainmovement.com. I also have a free tracking guide for you guys if you are interested in learning how to track your macros. So definitely check out my ebooks and free guides down below. I'm so excited for the rest of this back to school series, and I hope you guys are doing well, enjoying the rest of your summer, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.